Let's talk closing costs when you're getting a private mortgage. If you're buying a home or refinancing a home, you should be aware that when you're taking a private mortgage, and we're not talking about a B lender or alternative lender, no. We're talking about a private mortgage with an individual or a group of individuals, not a financial institution. There are quite a different amount of set of closing costs that you need to be aware of. For example, typically you have to pay a lawyer to close your mortgage. While in private mortgage land, you also need to pay for the mortgage's lawyer, and there's two separate lawyers. So typically you pay legal fees twice, and you can't really ask for the lender to use a different lawyer. Typically, they will not allow you to change that. So that fee is the fee. Also, lenders that lend private mortgage money also charge what's called a lending fee. And this fee is added to the mortgage balance. So say if you're getting a mortgage for $500,000 and it's a private loan through a private mortgage individual or a group of individuals, then you'd be also charged a fee. And typically this lender fee can range from 1 to 3% of the mortgage amount. So you could be stuck paying an extra $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 just to have the privilege of having the money lent to you. Okay, so that's another closing cost you need to be aware of. Also, typically the brokerage, they're not being paid to set up the mortgage with this private mortgage individual. So the brokerage needs to charge a fee for the work that they will do to find the lender, negotiate the rate, and set up the whole mortgage for you and do all that paperwork so you can get the money successfully funded to you, and the lender can have the mortgage set up for them. That is a lot of work, and typically these fees are also added to the mortgage as a closing costs. Now, we're not done. There could be other fees, and you really need to review your commitment letter from the mortgage lender with your broker. Make sure you choose a reputable broker that discusses these fees with you up front, and make sure that you understand everything before signing anything, because private mortgages are unregulated in Canada, and we need to make sure as brokers that you're protected as the borrower. So there's other fees such as application fees and appraisal fees that you should watch out for, as well as when you're getting a private mortgage, typically you also need to provide a legal retainer so the mortgager's lawyer can start the paperwork on your mortgage. And this is an upfront cost, usually around $500 to $1,000, where we add this amount towards your closing costs. That's typically the closing costs on a private mortgage. There's other little items that I didn't want to really mention here in the video because they can get confusing. But if you need a private mortgage and are concerned about cost, let me know or discuss this with your broker, and make sure you use a reputable broker. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, and subscribe for more private mortgage videos.